Good morning, students. I am Suresh Vishwakarma, presenting Divine Public School. Today, I brought you the Heron's formula of class 9th in mathematics. Dear students, I hope you all are good at your home. Stay home and be safe. आज हम जो क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ये एक्सरसाइज 12.2 question number 5 we are going to discuss. Before the questions, question number 1 to 4 we have discussed already in your previous lecture. So dear children, आज हम question number 5 discuss करेंगे. In this question it is given that a rhombus shaped field like that has green grass for 18 cows. So a field having green grass and it is for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter, this is a rhombus and its all the sides are given 30 meter and longer diameter is 48 meter. It is given this diameter is 48 meter. How much grass of field will each cow be getting? It means of this field that how much area is for one cow that it is required in this if there are 18 cows. Okay, so इसको फाइंड करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ दिस रोम्बस. इस रोम्बस का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे एंड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस रोम्बर as this diagonal is drawn, so you know that better. A diagonal of a rhombus divides this rhombus into equal triangle. So after drawing this diagonal, ये rhombus दो equal area में divide हो गया. So to find the area of this rhombus, we need to find the area of this first part. Why? Because the area of first part will be equals to the area of second part. And after getting the area of first part, we have to multiply it by 2, we will get the area of the whole rhombus, right? Okay, till here any problem to you all? Chalo. Now after getting the area of this rhombus, this is the area of grass grazed by 18 cows. So to find the area of grass grazed by one cow, we have to divide the area of this rhombus by 18, so we will get our required answer. So dear students, so let us start the solving this question. In the solution of this is we have to take the first triangle, and for the first triangle all three sides are given. So for area of first triangle are, you can write, since diagonals divides rhombus, since diagonal 48 meter divides rhombus in two equal areas. Okay, so we have divided this rhombus in two triangle, triangle first, triangle second. So for area of the first triangle, for area of first triangle, let A is equals to 30 meter, B is equals to also 30 meter and C is equals to 48 meter. This side A is 30 meter, this second side is also 30 meter, and third side is 48 meter we have taken, right? Now after getting the value of A, B and C, let us start finding its area. For area we need to find the semi perimeter S. So S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2, which is equals to 30 plus 30 is 60, 60 plus 48 is 108 divided by 2, that is equals to 54 meter is the semi perimeter. Okay, now find out the other parts of this Heron's formula, means S minus A, that is 54 minus 30, which is 24 meter, S minus B, 54 minus 30 again, that is 24, S minus C, that is 54 minus 48, which is equals to 6. After getting these values, this is the value of small s. Let us find the area of first triangle. So area of first triangle is equals to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C by Heron's formula. Now substitute these values. We will get S is 54 multiplied by S minus A is 24, S minus B is also 24 and S minus C is 6. So this can be written as 24 is having pair, then 54, 9 6 are 54 multiplied by 6. So you are getting the square root of this is square root of 9 is 3 and square pair of this 6 is there, meter square, which is equals to 6 3s are 18, 18 4s are 72, 18 2s are 36 plus 7, 36 plus 7 is 43 meter square, means area of this first triangle is 432 meters square. So to find the area of whole rhombus, we should multiply it by 2 because it is divided in this diagonal divides this rhombus in two equal areas. Therefore area of rhombus is equals to 2 multiplied by area of first part, that is equals to 2 multiplied by 432 meters square. So this is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 meters square. So this 864 meters square is the area of full grass field, and this grass is going to grazed by 18 cows. Okay, this grass, this much areas of the grass is going to grazed by 18 cows. So question is asking how much grass of field will each cow. So the area required for each cow is equals to, therefore area required for each cow is equals to this area divided by 18 meters square, means 864 divided by 18 meters square. So divided by 18, 18 4s are 72, 18 6 are, that is, let us simplify it by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 9s are meter square. again divided by 9. 9 4s are 36 and 9 8s are 72, means 48 meters square is the area of the grass field required for one cow. Means one cow will graze 48 meters square of this green grass field, right? So once again understand this question, as this rhombus is given and one of its longer diagonal is also given. So the measure of each and everything was given. So this diagonal divides this rhombus into equal areas. So we need to find the area of this first triangle. इस फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड करने के बाद वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 2, सो वी विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ होल क्वाड्रिलेटरल. आफ्टर गेटिंग द एरिया ऑफ होल क्वाड्रिलेटरल, this we have to divide this area by 18, so we will get the required answer. That means the area of the field required for one cow, right? Now we have to see the question number 6. देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में क्या दिया है. क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने के बाद देन वी हैव टू स्टार्ट आवर सॉल्विंग. इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन एन अम्ब्रेला इज मेड बाय स्टिचिंग 10 ट्रायंगुलर पीसेस. दैट अम्ब्रेला इज मेड बाय 10 ट्रायंगुलर पीसेस ऑफ ईच cloth of 2 different colors. So there are 10 pieces of triangular. Out of this 10, 5 is of one color and other 5, remaining 5 is of the other color. तो दो कलर में बटा हुआ है, 5 दूसरे कलर का है और जो दूसरे रिमेनिंग 5 हैं वो डिफरेंट कलर के हैं. So there are 2 colors, means each of color is having 5 pieces, right? Each piece measuring, means the measures of one triangular piece is given 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Each color means we have to find the area of one piece multiplied it by 5, because one color is having 5 pieces. Children, question समझ में आ रहा है आपको? If you are getting the question, let us start solving this question. So out of these pieces, in the solution of it, the side of each piece are given. Sides of each piece are A is equals to 20 centimeter, B is equals to 50 centimeter and C is equals to 50 centimeter, right? So let us find the area of each piece. So after getting the value of semi perimeter, which is A plus B plus C by 2, that is equals to 20 plus 50 plus 50 by 2, which is equals to 120 upon 2, that is 60 meter. It is the value of S, right? Then it is required S minus A, that is 60 minus 20, which is 40. S minus B, 60 minus 50, that is 10. S minus C, which is 60 minus 50, is also 10 meter. So let us find the area of each piece of the clothes. So the area of each piece of cloth equals to, by Heron's formula, under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. right? Now substitute the values. S is 60 multiplied by S minus A is 40, S minus B is 10, S minus C is 10. So for this we will get 10 multiplied by 10, 210 is outside because one pair is here, one pair is here, and under root 6 multiplied by 4, 10 tens are 100, multiplied by 2 because square root of 4 is 2, under root 6 meter square, which is equals to 200 under root 6 meter square is the area of each piece. This 200 root 6 meter square is the area of one triangular piece of the other color. As it is asking here in the question, how much cloth of each color is required. So for one color there are 5 pieces. So the area of cloth for one color is equals to 5. 5 why we have taken? Because there are total 10 pieces. Out of these 10 pieces, 5 triangular pieces of one color and the remaining 5 pieces of other color. So the question is asking here that how much cloth is required for each color. So of one color we are going to find out, to multiply it by 5. 5 multiplied by area of cloth of each piece. Area of cloth of each piece. So 5 multiplied by 200 under root 6 meter square. So 200 5s is 1000 under root 6 meter square is the area of cloth of each color. Therefore the answer of this question, so area of cloth of each color is 1000 under root 6 meter square, right? So after getting the meaning of the question, then you need to solve. From the figure it is clear that there are 2 colors and this umbrella consists of 10 pieces, 10 triangular pieces. So if it is having 2 colors, so but obvious 5 piece of first color and other 5 piece of the second color. As it is asking the question how much area of each color is required, तो हमें 5 piece का ही area find करना पड़ेगा. So to find the area of 5 piece of this cloth, we need the area of each cloth, and the measure of each cloth, size of each cloth is, each triangular piece is given. With the help of this we got the area of one piece, multiplied it by 5, we will get the area of cloth for each color, that is equals to 1000 under root 6 मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके दोस्तों, अभी हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 देखते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन में द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन अ काइट इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ स्क्वायर विद द डायगोनल्स इज 32 centimeter. So this is the kite of the diagonal of this is given 32 centimeter. Is 32 centimeter. Okay. And an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter is to be made. 6 and 6 of each equal sides is to be made of 3 different sides. right? So this is the first side, this is second side, and this is third side, as I have marked first side, second side, and third side. Then question is asking, as shown in the figure, how much paper each side has been used in it. Means this set first side का एरिया फाइंड करना है, आफ्टरवर्ड सेकेंड साइड का एरिया फाइंड करना है, आफ्टरवर्ड थर्ड साइड का एरिया फाइंड करना है. एज यू नो दैट दिस स्क्वायर हैज टू साइड, फर्स्ट साइड एंड सेकेंड साइड. इसके दोनों डायगोनल्स इक्वल होंगे. वाई बोथ द डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल? बिकॉज it is a square and its diagonals are equal. If this first diagonal is 32, so second diagonal will be also 32, and this is divided into two parts, two equal parts, 16 and 16, right? So we are going to find the area of first side. Area of first side in the solution of this, area of first side, side 1 equals to, अभी देखो बेटा, here this is the base and this is the height of this triangle for the first side. So the height of first triangle, height of first triangle is equals to this diagonal 32 upon 2 centimeter, which is 16 centimeter. So the area of first side, area of first side, half into base, base is 32 centimeter into height is 16 centimeter square. Now 2 8 is 16, 8 multiplied by 32, multiplied by 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, plus 1, 25 centimeter square. So the area of first side came, that is 256 centimeter square. Now to find the area of second one, it is equivalent to the area of the first one. Why? Because this diagonal divides the square into equal area. So the area of second side, area of side second is equals to area of side 1. Therefore its area is also is equals to 256 centimeter square. Now after that we have to find out the area of this third side, right? And the measure of each side of this is given. So to find the area of third side, to find area of third side, side 3, let A is equals to 6 centimeter, B is equals to 6 centimeter, and C is equals to 8 centimeter, right? So in this triangle, to find the area of this triangle, we require the Heron's formula. So let us find the semi-perimeter. S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, which is 6 plus 8 by 2, that is 20 upon 2, which is 10 centimeter. After getting the value of S, we have to find out the value of S minus A, that is 10 minus 6, which is 4, S minus B, 10 minus 6, that is also 4, and S minus C, that is 10 minus 8, which is 2 centimeter. After writing these, let's find the area of third side. So area of side third equals to by using Heron's formula, under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Substitute the values. S is 10 multiplied by s minus a is 4, s minus b is also 4, s minus c is 2. Now find the square root of it. Let us factorize. 5 2s are 10, 4 into 4 into 2. So this 2 we are having pair and this 4 we are having. So 4 multiplied by 2 under root 5 centimeter square. So 4 2s are 8 root 5 centimeter square is the area of third side. So dear students, now at this time we have the area of all three sides. To find the area of first side, इस ट्रायंगल इस फर्स्ट साइड का एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए हमें इसका बेस रिक्वायर्ड था विच वाज गिवन 32 एंड इट्स हाइट वाज रिक्वायर्ड एंड हाइट इज द हाफ ऑफ दिस 32. आफ्टर गेटिंग द एरिया ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट वन, that is equals to half into base into height, means 32 multiplied by 16, we got the 1 upon 2 into 32 into 8 is equals to 256 centimeter square. So similarly the area of second one is the same of the area of first side. So the area of this second is also equals to 256. Why? There is a reason behind this. Because this diagonal, ये diagonal इस स्क्वायर को दो इक्वल एरिया, दो इक्वल ट्रायंगल में डिवाइड करता है. आफ्टर गेटिंग द एरिया ऑफ सेकेंड वन, वी नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस थर्ड साइड. टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ थर्ड साइड, we have taken a is equals to 6 centimeter, b is equals to 6 centimeter and c is equals to 8 centimeter. To find the semi perimeter, a plus b plus c upon 2, that is equals to 10. Afterwards s minus a 4, s minus b is also 4, s minus c is 2. Therefore to apply that Heron's formula to find the area of third side is 10 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2, that is equals to 8 under root 5 centimeter square. Okay, if it is required to find the area of whole kite, we need to add this area and this is, we can get easily the area of whole kite, right? Any problem?